Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here to show you how you can download Trust Wallet on your Android smartphone. Trust Wallet is a secure crypto wallet that accesses your digital assets across multiple networks. First of all, to download Trust Wallet on your Android smartphone, go on to your Play Store. And once you're on Play Store, tap on the search bar and search for Trust Wallet. And after the result pops up, click on the first application that you see. And after clicking on the application, you can see there is an install button in front of your screen. Tap on install, and depending upon your Wi-Fi connection, Trust Wallet cryptocurrency will be downloaded on your Android smartphone. As you can see, Trust Wallet has been downloaded on your Android smartphone. Now you can open your Trust Wallet app and you can send, receive and store Bitcoin and other many cryptocurrencies that are available in your market. If this video was helpful to you guys, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for more reviews and more similar content like this. I will see you guys in the next videos. Thank you for watching.